I have a Toro riding lawn mower. The choke knob was pulled completely out. Do I need to replace the no with a new one? Should it be connected to something? I am not mechanical, which I'm sure is apparent.
What is the model number of your mower? Did you pull the cable out of the holder? If so, it's likely broken. Replacement is pretty simple and straightforward. Once I know the model number, I can assist you locating parts.
Model no. 74,376. When the knob came off, it's a metal stem like about 3 or 4 inches long. I'm a 55-year-old female teaching myself how to repair my lawn equipment as well as doing the maintenance necessary to keep everything in good running order. So hoping you can guide me through this.
So only the knob came off? Did it just pull out of the cable?
The no came off, which has the metal stem on it. There was no cable.
Okay, it sounds like the cable broke. Click on the link below to purchase a replacement. Part number 14 is what you are looking for in the fuel delivery and body styling assembly section. http://www.aeroplacementparts.com/toro74376310013109999992010 lawn tractor parts C121776_1286721315001.html.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.